All right. Welcome to podcast 1.5. So, in this podcast, we are going to be going over accuracy and precision along with percent error. All right. So, first thing we're going to look at is going to be accuracy and precision. So, our accuracy is going to be how close the measured value is to the actual value. So, our accuracy is going to be comparing our measurements that we get in the lab to kind of like our theoretical value from like calculations that we should have gotten. So this is going to be found through the average. So we're going to find accuracy by finding the average of all of our numbers. And next is going to be our precision. This is going to be how close a series of measurements are to one another. So we are able to have a really high precision if all of our numbers are close together. We can have a really low precision if all of our numbers are really far apart. And how we're going to find precision is going to be through the range. So we're going to take our largest number and subtract our smallest, and that will be our precision. All right, so this is a practice problem that we are going to do kind of together in class. I know that on your packet, the average and range are already found, but we're going to talk a little bit more and exactly how we got those. All right. And then our percent error. Our percent error is going to be the difference between the experimental value, often shown with an E, and the accepted value, often shown with an A. And so this is going to be our equation that we have right here. So our percent error is going to be equal to the experimental minus the actual divided by the actual. So our actual is oftentimes also referred to as the theoretical value. So a lot of times our actual value is going to be something found through mathematics or through math. And it's kind of like our perfect amount that we're able to have. And now the thing and everything, just in case, is going to be these lines on either side. So this is just absolute value. So this means that it just always has to be positive. So your percent error is always a positive number. So after experimental minus actual divided by actual, we're able to multiply it by 100 and we get our percent error. And that is all there is to percent error, is just that equation. So we do have some practice that we're going to do together in class, but that is pretty much everything for this podcast. So podcast 1.5, just super quick, that accuracy and precision, and then our percent error and those practice problems we're going to be doing together in class.